put it in gear. Z1000 SX Tourer, which is somewhat comfier, somewhat better than the ZX10, and it is completely upright. Very the Z1000. Let's find biting point. It sits nice. It's a very nice riding position. I'm in second. That we're in second. Fucking hell. It's a very nice riding position, I'll give it that. Power kicks in instantly. And like, oh, you can counter steer it like a sports bike. ABS, which is amazing. Power's incredible. Engine brake's incredible. The brakes are incredible. It's still somewhat sat forward. It's very similar to mine. It's still sort of rested a little bit on my arms. It's not completely back straight. And the power is magic. You've really got to throw your body into it. You've really got to throw your body into it when you power on. If you don't, you're going off at back. And it handles very sporty for an upright bike. You can get it quite low. You can bounce about. And the overtaking power. Oh wow! Honestly, you can just sit and chill. Hold it there, it'll sit at 60 without a problem. And you can just sit, oh man, it's beautiful to ride, it really is. It's quite stiff on suspension, so I can imagine without a custom seat, it'll get quite uncomfortable. But it handles like a sports, which I've already said, but it really does. The power's like a sports bike, and other than this really quite hard suspension, the brakes are immense. Other than the quite hard suspension, it's probably one of the most perfect bikes I've ever been on. The only problem with it that I could find that I'd have is I couldn't take a pillion on it. But my God, it's powerful! Then brakes just kick in, and that's it, you stopped. You can stop it on a penny. But wow, it handles incredibly. The Kawasaki 2013 Z1000, probably the best bike I've ever ridden for solo riding. I haven't really said much. I can't, honestly, you can't. This experience is one of the best I've ever had. I'm gonna be a dick and park it forwards. That were awesome. That were nice. Yeah. Kawasaki Z1000. Shit.